and hi to everyone. My name is Noor Asma Husna binti Muhammad Akhyar. My metric number is 221043548. I'm from Material Engineering. Today I want to present about my data analysis for my assignment. In this assignment, our software is used. Our software's interface is organized so that the user can clearly view graph, data table, R code and output all at the same time. In this presentation, I include for the first control chart showing the length for all three machines at pressure equal 200 kPa and temperature equal 338 K. Second, the capability of meeting the length requirement for all three machines at pressure equal 200 kPa and temperature equal 338 K. For the third, comparison between all three machines. Fourth, statistically analysis showing is varying the temperature of the pressure will affect the resistance of the component. For the last one, recommendation based on the data. Other than that, there is X bar chart for machine 1. The shown given, we know that process out control, there is a point fall outside the upper control limit. This is X bar chart for machine 2. We know that the process out control and there is point fall outside the upper control limit. D is X bar control for machine 3. The process in control. All subgroup value fall between upper control limit and lower control limit. D is process analysis for machine 1. The center is 48.8527 and standard deviation 1.268. Furthermore, the CP is 1.31 is lower than 1.33. It means does not meet the specification limit. For CPK equal 1.01 is lower than 1.33. The CPK does not meet specification. T is process capability analysis for machine 2. The center is 49.777. The standard deviation 0.7955. The CP is equal 2.09, bigger than 1.33. It means meet the specification limit. The CPK equal 2, bigger than 1.33, mean that CPK meets specification. Lastly, D is process capability analysis for machine 3. The center is 49.4612. The standard deviation 1.2739. The CP equal 1.31 lower than 1.33 means that does not meet the specification limit. The CPK equal 1.17 lower than 1.33. CPK does not meet specification because CPK is lower than CP. T is for machine 1. Resistance for the pressure equal 0.241 bigger than 0.05. In this factor, P is significant for machine 1. The resistance for temperature equal 0.469 bigger than 0.05. In this factor, temperature significant for machine 1. Resistance for the pressure times temperature equal 0.920 bigger than 0.05. Lastly, in the factors, P times T significant for machine 1. T is for machine 2. The resistance for pressure equals 0.157 bigger than 0.05. In this factor, pressure is significant for machine 2. The resistance for temperature equal 0.699 bigger than 0.05. In this factor, temperature significant for machine 2. The resistance for the pressure times temperature equals 0.891 bigger than 0.05. Lastly, in this factor, P times T is significant for machine 2. For the last one is machine 3. The resistance for the pressure equals 0.450, bigger than 0.05. In this factor, pressure is significant for machine 3. The resistance for the temperature equals 0.932, bigger than 0.05. That means in this factor, temperature is significant for machine 3. The resistance for the pressure times temperature equals 0.215, bigger than 0.05. Lastly, in this factor, pressure times temperature is significant for machine 3. T is comparison between three machines. Machine 1 are process out control, and number of violating run is 7, where value for CP equal 1.31 and value for CPK equal 1.01. The machine 1 are positive scale. For machine 2, process are out control. The number of the violating runs is 1. The value for CP equal 2.09 and the value for CPK equal 2. The machine 2 are positive scale. For machine 3 are process in control, where number of violating runs is 1. The value for CP equal 2 and value for CPK equal 1.17, where the machine 3 are positive scale. Additionally, the highest number of violating run is machine 1, where the violating run is 7. For the summary, machine 2 is recommended as the best option. This is because machine 2 has the highest process capability, which is CP equal 2.09 among the three machines. The minimum capability index is frequently established at 1.33. The larger CP are the better quality. Besides that, the CPK value for machine 2 is 2, is also the highest among the three machines. CPK greater than 1.33 means that the process is better than the specification requires. Furthermore, machine 2 has the lowest standard deviation equal 0.7955, which suggests more consistent and precise result compared to the other machine. The resistance for the machine in machine 2 is 0.157, which is bigger than 0.05. Conclusively, in this factor, pressure is significant for machine 2. That's all for me. Thank you for joining me today.